Today we are going to be making a baseball bat. We have attached a baseball bat in the copier here, and we have put a piece of ash up here, and we are going to duplicate the baseball bat up here. The bat is attached, since it is a three-dimensional piece we want to copy, we have attached it between the two centers here. Just simply go in the center of the bat and tighten this handle, lock with that lock nut here, and the same up here. I actually prefer to use a template, and in this clamping device here we can also use a template. You would put the template, fasten it here with these two Allen screws here and these two Allen screws over here. The reason that I like the template better is that it can be more rigid. It will not deflect, especially if the piece you want to make has some thin areas in it. The actual copy attachment can push it over and make it deflect, and you won't get a perfect copy. The template you can make out of Lexan, aluminum or plywood, something that's rigid, and it will do a lot more copies than this three-dimensional piece. But if you were to do, for instance, a chair that came in that needed a leg fixed or something like that, then you could actually put it up here and just turn right off of that. I've made a little block of wood here. I'm going to wedge it in here just lightly to keep this deflection from happening. And up here I have my piece of ash attached between the drive center here and the live center over here. I have my copier here, and the tracing finger is over here. And now I'm just going to make sure that the dimension of what I make is the same as what the original dimension is. So I'm going to go in and actually turn this piece, this part over here, until it's approximately that diameter here. Then I'm going to put the tracer onto it, and therefore it will follow the same pattern as the baseball bat all the way through. That's really it. So let's get started. So now my tracer is riding on the baseball bat here, and I'm cutting on my piece here. So I'm just going to use my caliper to see here the diameter here is 2 inches exactly, and the diameter at that point is here 2.5. So I need to make a 1/4 inch gap. Right there between the tracer and the baseball bat. So I'm loosening this here. This system is here so I can sneak up on it. I'm not going to need, and I'm ready. Now it's the depth is set. Once I'm at the full depth, it will trace the bat up here. You see me using a handle over on this side here, and that limits the travel, so I don't have to go all the way in one pass. I have a handle here, depth handle, that I can control. That's especially important when you go and do beads and coves and stuff like that. And then of course I have my handle here that moves the whole copy attachment up and down the rails, and you can't see that there, but there's a chain down below here that this mechanism is attached to. But now we are ready, and we can go ahead and make the bat. I can't do that, as I said, in one pass. I need to first clear it off, make it round, and then especially here where it's rather narrow, I have to sneak up on it, and there's a little bit of touch involved with that. But it's relatively simple, and I will go ahead and do that, and then we can get started on the next piece, where we are going to use the steady rest, the one pass copier for the next piece. But let me first finish this, and you can see. Stay out here. Now it's starting to look like a baseball bat. Just gonna make a final pass here to clean it all up. Yeah. Now, depending on how nice we want it, we can do some sanding. It needs definitely a little bit of sanding. I have a little bit of vibration here that I can get rid of, but basically that's it. Our baseball bat is done. That's really all there is to that.